In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable multi-chain addresses using Phantom Wallet. So it's actually quite simple. First, you want to go ahead and you want to click over here where it says your account name, basically your logo or icon, wallet, whatever you want to call it. And then at the bottom of this ribbon, you can see settings. Inside settings, you want to scroll down until you see active networks. So click on active networks, and in here, if you want to enable basically multi-chain addresses, you'll have to make sure you enable all the different networks you would like to essentially use, or the chains, of course. So for this, I have everything enabled. You just want to enable anything you would like. For example, this, I just enabled Monad as well. And then I'm going to go out of here, and as you can see, under active networks, it now says all, and multi-chain addresses have now been updated on Phantom Wallet, and you can now use different networks and different chains on your Phantom Wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.